We ain't there yet. What's up guys, I know it's been a while since my last video upload, but in today's video we're going to be dynoing my twin turbo Z06. The car ended up having a fuel pump that went bad on it, so we're over at the dyno today swapping everything over at the shop, Horsepower Factory, Texas. I know you can tell what the power is by the video thumbnail and title, but you know, throw it on the dyno, turn it up, see what it makes. Alright, so today we're at Horsepower Factory, Texas, and we have the car up on the lift. In the previous video, there was a few problems with the car that needs to be addressed. One of those being the fuel pumps were kind of weak, so we're gonna end up swapping out those and also swapping out the wastegate springs. Those are the two main things that need to be fixed on the car. In this clip here, you see the fuel pumps are already out, and we have my boy Fabian working on it right now, swapping out the 450s to 525s. Alright, so as you can see underneath the car, this is the first time it's been underneath the lift. So just doing a little visual inspection of it and recording here. And the only thing I could really notice that needs to be addressed is the front main seal has a small leak. Other than that, everything looked to be pretty good. So yeah. We ain't there yet. So guys, we finally did it. We made 1,000 wheel, 1027 to be exact, but it's a major accomplishment for me and definitely something that I didn't see myself doing anytime soon, especially not, you know, being 20 and having 1,000 wheel horsepower car. It's a pretty big statement. It's kind of crazy to think back of how far I've come in this short amount of time. I mean, you're talking about like 4 years ago, I had a cammed F-body 4th gen Camaro, and that was making like, I think 389 wheel horsepower to now, you know, in the span of 4 or 5 years, I'm at 1,000 wheel. It's pretty crazy to think of how much has gone on in that short amount of time, and just personal growth, I think, because I've pretty much started out learning everything by myself. It's just crazy to look back of how far I've came in this short amount of time. And I just want to thank anybody who's, been involved with this build, whether you've put hands on it or, you've sent emails and you've helped me answer questions, or you've DM'd me and, or I've DM'd you and, tried to get information or help on certain things. I want to personally thank anyone who's been a part of this build. Especially shout outs to everyone who's put hands and, physically been there. Horsepower Factory Texas, everybody over there, they're my boys over there and definitely helped out with a lot of things. Albert over at Rick's Machine Shop, he built this motor. Definitely a bullet of a motor, and it's been through a lot. It's been almost, now when this video uploads, it's been almost a year, and I've put this thing through a ton. So holding up strong. Another shout out over to John over here on Speed. I mean, all the questions when I was putting this car together, emails back and forth, within a timely manner, and helped me out with everything. Definitely appreciate it. And like I said, anyone who's been a part of this build, I just, bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. I know that I've been away from a while from YouTube, but now that it's summertime and the semester's kind of over, I'm definitely looking to make more content, and I have a little, stash of videos that I'm going to be putting out, but look out for that on the channel. If you guys like this car, if you like this content, if you're curious to see what's coming next with this car, please consider subscribing and, definitely hit the like button. It helps a lot with this little channel. So, yeah. If you guys have made it this far, thank you for watching and take care.